Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone. So now quickly open the box. So in top you get this small box. Okay, let's see what we can inside it. So here we get the SIM ejector pin, and as we see inside, here we get the reading manuals. Keep this aside, and guys, this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep all these things aside, and here's the font shelf. Here you can see is the font shelf. It is in graphite black color, metallic blue, mint green, and chromium white color is also available. Okay, we come to the font later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. Okay, so guys, here we get the USB type A to type C cable, and this is okay, this is the 18-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see now, remove its plastic cover. So here you can see here's the phone itself. If we talk about the black, it made by plastic, and the frame is also plastic frame. But if we talk about the design, you can see the design looking good of this phone. You can see here we get the branding of Redmi 5G. You can see, and it has a different camera module over there. You can see it has a different attractive camera module over there available. You can see AI vision 48 megapixel. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the IR blaster, and this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. On this side we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it. Okay guys, little disappointed. Here you can see we get the hybrid SIM slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Okay, it has hybrid SIM slot, and on bottom we have the main microphone, USB type C port, and this is the main speakers. And if we talk about the left, here you can see we get the side mounted fingerprint and volume up and down key. And on back it has a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel with the dual LED flash. And if we talk about the back, it has 8 megapixel AI front camera. You can see phone looks good. You can see, if we talk about the design, you can see phone looks good. It has a metallic finish. You can see metallic mint finish look. You can see phone looks good. And the good thing is it has a 90 Hz full HD plus display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G 7nm octa-core processor. It has 6.5 inches full HD plus IPS LCD display. It supports dual nano SIM with the hybrid SIM slot. If we talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128 and 64 4GB UFS 2.2 speed, 2 internal storage variants. And it has a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with depth sense. It has 8 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 18-watt fast charging, and it is running on MIUI 12 based on Android 11. And for better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So as you can see, I have set up the device, and this is the UI of Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone. Okay, if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature available, as you can see. And if we slide here, we get some apps, and if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, we get the notification bar. You can see helpful quick settings, and brightness adjustment feature is also available. If we talk about its brightness, it has a 500 nits peak brightness. Okay, it has IPS LCD display, so according to me, display is not bad. The display quality is not bad. Now quickly go to storage and check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. So here you can see 15.6 GB phone used out of 64 GB, you can see, and the clear and deep clean feature is also available, which is a really good thing, and you can also view app details over there. And you can see the MIUI version, MIUI Global 12.0.3 stable, and Android version is latest. Yes, it has latest Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security update, it is of 1/6/2021. And if we go in all specs, you can see RAM 4 GB, octa-core maximum 2.2 GHz, Dimensity 705G processor. And you can see the MIUI version. Here's the model, PSP version, and kernel version. And you can see the Android version also. And if we talk about the refresh rate, guys, it has a 90 hertz refresh rate. You get 90 hertz refresh rate in the phone. You can see by default it comes with 60 hertz, but I set to 90 hertz. As you can see, the UI of this phone is really smooth. You can see the UI of this phone is really smooth. You can see, no doubt. If you are a gaming geek, this phone's for you. It comes with Dimensity 700 7nm 5G octa-core processor, which will give you a ultra gaming experience. No doubt. Guys, the UI of this smartphone is really smooth, as you can see. A good budget smartphone, you can say, with really good gaming processor. Okay, and if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone in different modes in different lighting condition. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, now quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, here I put the finger and it unlock. Okay, do it many times in many ways. I put and it unlock, I put and it unlock. You can see I put and it unlock. Okay guys, the side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really fast. You can see it is really fast. I put and it quickly unlock. You can see I put and it quickly unlock. And if we talk about its face unlock, let's check this out. It look at me and unlock itself. Okay, phone look at me and unlock itself. Okay, do it many times. Okay, now phone look at me and unlock itself. So guys, the face unlock and side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive, as you can see. So guys, this is the unboxing of Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.